Move directly towards the opposing player and keep close control of the ball with your right foot. As you get close to the opposing player, judge your distance and tap the ball with the inside of your right foot towards the inside of your left foot. The ball should rebound off the inside of your left foot back to your right foot. Guide the ball in a forward motion with the inside of your right foot behind the opposing player. When performing the shuffle, both feet should be off the ground and legs moving like a pendulum.